So ask the mobile from me using could.
Could you please give me your phone?
Everyone repeat the sentence. Could you please give me your
Give me
phone?
your phone. Could you
Number.
please give me your mobile
Could
phone?
you please
Could you please give me your mobile phone?
may I have your phone?
Could you please give me your mobile phone? Give me your mobile phone. May I have your phone?
Okay, now use may I. May
May I
I.
have your phone? May I have your phone? Have your phone? I have your phone. May I have your phone?
May I have your phone
May I
number? May
have
I
your
have your
phone?
Abil sir,
May I
please
have your
repeat. May
phone?
I have your
May I
phone?
have your
May
phone?
I have your phone
I
number? May
have
I
your
have your
phone.
May I
May
have
I
your
have
phone?
your
May I
phone?
have your
Have
may
your
I have
phone.
your may I have your
I have your phone.
may I have your phone? May I
Okay,
have
go back to the
May I
first
have
one,
your
please.
phone?
Everyone, go back to the first one. Could you?
Could you please give me your mobile phone?
Could you please give me your
Please give me your
mobile?
mobile phone.
Have
Could you
your
please give me
phone.
your mobile phone?
Says
Mobile phone. Could you
could you please give me
please
your
give me your
phone?
mobile
Okay,
phone?
thank you. Thank you. If I am your friend, then how will you use? Then can. Can I have your phone?
Yes, sir. Can I have your
Go for it.
phone?
Suppose I'm your friend.
Can,
Suppose I'm your friend, then in that regard or in that situation, you can use can because can is normal with the friends, right?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So
sir.
Can you
ask
please
it
give
from
me your Can
yeah.
you please give me your mobile phone?
Repeat, repeat.
Can you please give me your mobile phone?
Your mobile phone?
Can you please give me a mobile phone?
Can I get your phone? Can I get your phone? Can I have your phone?
Can I get your phone?
Can I
Can I
get your
get your
phone?
phone?
Can you Can I please get give me your mobile phone? Can I
Can
get your
I
mobile
get your
your phone?
phone?
Can I get your mobile
Can
phone?
I
Get your
can I
phone.
get your
Can I
mobile
have
phone?
your
Can I get
mobile
your
phone?
phone?
Can I get your phone?
Can I get your mobile
Can
phone?
I get your mobile
Can
phone?
I get Can I have your
Can
mobile
I
phone?
get your phone?
Can I
Okay,
get
thank
your
you. Thank you. So now, can you all ask my address?
Could you please give me your address?
Right?
Could you please give me your address?
Could you please give me your
Could you please
address?
give me your address?
Actually, it would
Please
be,
give me your
may I
address.
know your address? You know, it's
Could you
also good.
please give
May I know
me
your
your
address?
address?
May
May
I know
I
your address?
Give your
May I know your address?
Abdul
May
Modi
I know
sir,
your
you
May
have to
I
speak,
may I know your
May I
address?
please,
know your
while
address,
writing.
sir, please?
Modi sir,
Address?
speak,
Yes.
speak,
may
Can
I
I
please.
get your
Can
address?
I know
may
your
I
address, please? May I
have
know
may
your
I know
address?
your
May I know
address?
your address?
may
May
I
I
May
know
I
your
know your
address?
address?
can
May
I
I
know
know your
your
address?
address?
May I know
May I
your
know your
address? May I
address?
know your address? May I know
May
your
I
address?
know your address? May I know your
So
address? May I know
already
your
we have
address?
understood how to ask something from someone, right?
Yes, sir.
Something for someone.
Right, from someone. So we already have learned how to ask something from someone, right? Now
Yes.
this time, what could be the answer from my side? Yes, of course.
Yes,
Yes, of
sure.
course. Oh,
Yes, of course.
sure. Sure, right?
Yes, yes, of course. Oh,
Yes, of
sure.
course. Oh, sure, right?
Yes, of
Yes,
course.
of
Oh, sure.
course.
Yes,
And
of course. Yes,
you can
sure.
add,
Sure.
please return me within 5 minutes, right?
Yes.
Please return me within 5
Return me.
minutes.
Please
Please
return
return
me.
me 5
Please
minutes.
return me within 5 minutes.
Within 5 minutes, right?
Please return me within 5 minutes.
Within 5
Please
Please
Well,
return
return
me
me
within
within
5
5
minutes.
minutes.
okay, now you want to have my help. How can you ask the help?
Please
May I
return
get
me
your
within
help?
5
Please
minutes.
help me.
Please
Can
help
you,
me. Can
could
you
you
please
please help
help
me?
me? Can you please
Can
help
you
Can you
me?
please help
Can
me?
you
Yes.
May I
please help
have your
me?
help? Right? Could you
May I
please help
have
me?
your help?
Repeat the same thing.
In
Three sentence.
Can you please help me? Can you please help
please
me?
help me?
Can you
can
please
you
help
May
me?
I get
can
your
you
help?
Please help me?
May I have your
can
help?
you give me five?
Get your
May I
help.
have your help?
Can you
Please
give me
return me.
May I have your
$100?
help? May I Can you
Okay.
please help me? Can you please help me? Please help me?
Okay.
Could you please help me?
Suppose you want to use Bangla here. Now we are speaking English, right? So
Yes.
suppose you want to use Bangla language now. So how will you take the permission from me?
Would you mind using Bangla?
No, actually, you are taking. It means you are offering. Could you mind or would you mind? This is offering, you know? No, you want to use Bangla instead English.
Can I use Bangla?
May I
Can
use
I use
Bangla?
Can
Excuse
can
me.
Can I
can I
speak
speak
Bangla?
Excuse
in
me.
Bangla?
Can I use Bangla?
Can I speak in
May I
Bangla?
use Bangla?
May I
Can I
use Bangla?
use Bangla?
Can I use
Can
Bangla?
Can
Can
I
I
use
speak in
Bangla?
Bangla?
speak Hindi?
May
Bangla?
I use
Can I
Can I
use
speak in
Bangla?
Bengali?
Speak Bengali?
Can I
Can
use
I
English?
use?
So this is
Bangla?
all about taking permission, you know?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yes,
But
sir.
in the class, we always use may, right? Because
Okay, sir.
it's because of politeness. May I come
Yes,
in,
sir.
sir? May I take your phone
Absolutely,
number?
sir.
And this is very
Yes, sir.
common, you know, and always acceptable. So could is also better. Can, it has a condition, right? Within the friends, you can use can, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's learn something, right?
Yes.
So I think you all can understand, right?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you in Bangla, huh? Let me ask you in Bangla. So it's let me, right? Suppose
Let me.
একটু বাংলায় বলি, ধরেন কাউকে আপনি থামিয়ে কিছু করতে চান, কাউকে থামিয়ে কিছু
We can
করতে
use
চান,
let me.
এই যে আপনাদের
Please,
থামিয়ে একটু করছেন, let me,
please.
right? Let me, right?
We can use let
Yes,
me.
sir.
So use let me. ধরেন আমি আপনি কথা বলছেন, in the meantime আমিও কথা বলছি, then please let me finish first.
Yes. Please let me finish. I call you.
Let me finish first, right? So make
Let
some
me
sentence
finish.
using let me finish
Let
first.
me finish.
Let me finish.
Let me finish.
Let
I
me finish.
call you.
Think, let me
Then
think,
you can talk.
Let me think. Please. Let me
let
think.
me think,
Let me think. Let me finish.
let me
Let me
finish,
go.
let me go,
Let me go.
let me check, let
Let
me
me
check,
check.
Let
Yes,
me
sir.
let
let
me
me check.
explain.
So this is also you are just কাউকে থামিয়ে দিয়ে, হ্যাঁ, দেন আপনি কোনো কাজ করছেন, কাউকে হোল্ডে রেখে হ্যাঁ আপনি
আমি কাজ করছি বা কথা বলছি।
রাইট। এবার কাউকে
Listen. Let me talk.
রাইট, কাউকে এবার প্রস্তাব করতে চান, প্রপোজ।
Yes.
So let's go,
Propose.
Let's go.
let's do it,
Let's
let's practice. Use the sentence, please, more
Let's
and more.
practice.
Let's
Let's drive. Let's play.
Let's practice English now.
Let's practice English. Let's
let's
exercise.
practice.
Sir, practice this,
Let's
please.
speak
Please
in
practice
English.
these things, this each of the sentence 3 times, right?
Let's practice in English.
Hmm.
Let's
Repeat
practice
2
in
times.
English.
Yeah.
Let's practice in English.
Hmm.
practice in English. Let's practice in English. Let's
Have a cup
practice
of
in
coffee.
English.
Let's have a cup of coffee.
Let's have a cup. Let's have a cup of coffee.
Let's have a good
Cup
week.
of
Let's
coffee.
have a cup of coffee.
Let's
Let's
have a
have a
Let's
cup of
have a
coffee.
cup of
Let's
coffee.
let's share the meal.
let's share
Let's
the
share the meal. Let's
That means
share the
proposal.
meal.
You are giving a proposal, right?
Yes,
You're
sir.
giving a proposal.
proposal.
So we have learned what? We have learned asking permission, then holding someone, then proposal, right?